Eye oba Gomoa Afrancia, Gomoa Central District, the capital town.
Abuza from Mamu na makwaba e de Ghana and Sem TV so. But omo dey so be like video, no be subscribe to the channel, no what turn on notifications. Say be next time. Videos of this nature eba also sabit makabi na so watch your comment section ho. Maybe whom be from Mr. President Amejo so TikTok or comment section ho. By be whom be from Mr. President Amejo so. Ko yin na dream say that be ano e between the new patriotic party Aba power. Na ya bana Ghana fo nyina ho ato ko amamo we dey. The need to Sudan say man we need that bia. Na the bia me ka sem bi say amanyasom ne yeye no. So wa mo ni anda ho a ho be chiro pa. The moment I be hold the public office, and they say who say you own it a responsibility. I mean a sole responsibility to serve the ordinary Ghanaian. But I think say I do retirement. Nkofo bebree if you say a public office no more hold it. As a result of that, it is their sole responsibility to impact and improve lives of people. They have forgotten about that. Abushami chankra, momi enko. Yenko ko video bi mra. Na video no we are going to take our time and digest the issues out of the perspective of the ordinary girl, not the perspective of Mr. President here. Women commerce is here.
Eye oba Gomoa Afrancia, Gomoa Central District, the capital town, and I said Kesia, Gomoa Afrancia. The one of the Busme Biami and sending a DC or one and from more Pusia. Na engineers ya omo ejina ama 24-hour economy market no omo na kuchie mu na omo ko ka say so say omo be che medina say ama dwedie akoso wo ho na none of pay ana kromu ho fo nyina boku dan say ni aba ne say ba bia omo ko ye so be omo ka say so don be market no omo yes ho de kokoko fo so a omo nsusu emu tete mo awo mo kra isan say bia amudi ka be ka say so no ho dada ehono dia into ko pase mu yes body akọ go for dia na say omo kwa ko to mu hu agu na eno ana omo to petition ten some be koma DC ya owo Gomoa Central District na afi omo di bin so ama na president Don Dramani Mahama and at the same time no omo di bi ama omo henya ye fe no odidom brand new question ata or Gomoa Dompem Edi Kudan Apupemo District Assembly wa the petition akoma ABC or
bio ekoto no mom ne baagi mu e na hwem sika no amebio eno nti nkoda ebre bi eje to kantamanto amietwa sika bi semfa mwa wonwa omo akwa ahoyehia mu no sika na nkodu om ho eno susu wom afa ne nsase wonu nyina yakwa adu a ode bo no anti wogina so de ne kwagina court afi 2021 eno na court gina asam so saa de tudwa se wodi for enti mfie du onkotwa wafiase enam so akosa ne ho yare a wa mabio nti na so twenda ho twen no ena no aba bedru ye nrachi ena obedru ye ewo eye enkrayom hyegina bia wodru ye no sabi ne ho mfa no enti wote wheelchair mu na daily guide sis wodi bo no so ho se mam ne sabi ne ho mfa no ampa e se na ne na se atata kakra enti no se ye ka se wa ye appeal Emma appeal na la ya fo nso so dia kwakodan court se high court no anka se odi ase no kwa wo ye mfonso kwa du omu gina so di bo ma mi didi tu dwade ye ho eti niam bebre to siri wo mu nti no se so asan aye appeal den ya wo hwe se court nso de na no di sem ebeba betu dwa
nyina yetua ne taku sempoa obi akari koko be bag du wakwa ne yama ne 5 million Satam 31 million sunka 300 and something million. Aye, wakwa ne yama ne 5 million. No de abeto nkinedi. No asan fa fom ko. No akwaji 2 million. No de abeto yi kobi. Sa ya shisika no. Ghana ni sei na Ghana ni pe. Emma Ghana ni me se Ghana ni ho to no. Wonwene hwe. Na so ne ne bere nyina wode ma yese nsem hunu tie ene yese asa wonwene bibia biem na koko ekurani akwaji ni sika otuko no kan yese yesika mu ensi dan ensi hwe eno ase da obema ne de atua ne ba fees no na akwaji abeto dem na da ho uwi a waka chensa wahwe ne ba wonte ne ye wo kanase otom wonte ase first year student ya na esi ebetuo mo kai Gomoa ba otua sika wo ya yede Ghana ni enim sa nyansa no onuru ho enti eye waste of money ontua because oya Ghana ni nkan Ghana ni won kaya kamu ni opposition kofo ba ye cancellation of basic school fees mampani kof enkwada na ye de omo dom ye adwuma din aburo ma ho odin so kofo na be stop we nyina ekosi sai ya yere no ma na kwa awo so fa ye kete kokwa ekosi sai free health insurance free maternal health care ekosi sai kokwa akuafo na kofo nwu omumfuo tukwa nyasi akomo omaduro wa fe nipa a ebegu afuo no so kwa yasa to abatu no Ghana ni adwene mienuru kwan na Ghana ni ya Amerikani na wa hihye da che de ama no gina ne konso bunukom mia no eno ano no wawie
edemano unya Kamila Al-Hassan ayi teacher ni yo se hwan ya woni akora bi de ba yi o de ne betina ho sopa na wo DJ K unim se atintenhu ta woto na uhwiri treasure unim se atintenhu eta woto na uhwiri treasure onzo obi anka bi ma o DJ K onzo obi anka bi ma sa na wiase ne tie so obi asamba fa we afutuo obi asamba susuka na wonnim de da wanim obi asamba susuka na me me srema wo se ebi mu be defend no wo be defend DJ K sasai enim guase we ya wagu ne ho DJ K nya ni pa asem wo ka no okromu a me se me DJ K no minim de ntia me se me kasa wakama asem me wakama asem ya asa ne ye nya nipa asa ye de ne ye mfura busuam ene de wo me say baby I won't ankasa baby I issue no ka fine na faye somebody can catch us say afaye pa enti ne yentimi nka yentimi enka no say de nka ese ye ka no ene wu nti Kamila Al-Hassan otwa krom ha chese DJ K na wu ni nyansa se ne hwan wo krom ha so obi ya na ade na wonti ase a memfa ne se nipa ne sabi onim de wo ye unim nyanza se ne hwan wo krom a on say so tam yesi wo platform ne so a ya na memfiu utam me a me nua ba political babies esi wo platform ne so a on say ya na yemfiu ya na ho yesere ya na video ni ehwe ni say ya ene de ho na ho hye wo no ene una wo hye wo no me say Kamila Al-Hassan baby owo bia ne kra ene ne kra ni beba ne ho so ne kra ni beje na explanation be na de be abonten endra me ye video ba akoma na no ne part 1 we ye part 2 me twen so obesa ba abonten abekeka obeti aden na mumu bi munya nipa munsusu ha DJ K Mrs. wa we ya nsem a o ka fa me ho DJ K and then na o hye ho no next time ufu akokwa a obefre no alolo ewiase na ho kwa ene wiase no ensa emmeka wono yenkoka no ano a emmeka wono yenkoka no Kamila Al-Hassan video ba wo si obia wo ho kwan se video ba abonti on be kirechiro ma adwene ene wo so de aba ye be kirechirem ye de pen ni paper beto ho na okra se won sa anya good unsa anya good
wo de be man ko foforo won ma assembly won ma sanitation bio anya wa sa sanitation for disika yakwaji loan na breast sanitation for won fa nya hwe na wo ba obeje fi sanitation for na wo je ye no anya wa sako hwe no sako shi tatatata nso tonshina baby shi hey who ya dio nkwa ho ba eja hihie hey Mr. Pad unya ba perfect intro say what a pad sanya wide wo do say pad na be ye bibia mo It took about 15 minutes. You can even waste as much as 1.5 hours. So we are just pleading. They should just come to our aid. Make it a little more trouble so that it will be. I'm a teacher and I'm still here. My learners are in school waiting for the teacher, and the teacher is still here. So we are just pleading. They should just come and fix it for us. We beg them. How long have you been waiting? Oh, I got here for almost 4 hours. Yeah, if I'm not, yeah, 4 hours. Because I got here before 6 o'clock, and we are still here. It's 9 something. So it's more than almost 3-4 hours we've been here. And so these are the more residents who are gathered here, sharing their flights here. I understand your frustration, but let me engage some of the organizers of this particular demonstration. Now we understand you've blocked the road for close to 3 hours. She says she's a teacher. She's not able to go to school. So how long are you going to continue this?
Amasaman, more than 4 hours. More than 4 hours.
We just say yenim oman issue ayewo. Ko ye hwe ne ma papa na adan kwaku for Dr. Laji Mahmood Bawumia ye de ma oman we a. Any 2024 elections eko, e no ma Dr. Bawumia e den e de kire Ghana for say me ba we ni we na me yama mo na. Busia na ke ye nsem pata de yensa kan. Serious. So in fact, oman bi timi ko borrow oman bi presidency. Oman bi timi ko borrow oman bi leaders are KBA, the new patriotic party, the leaders of the party, KBA borrow another African country to cause development there. For the first time in the history of the country, we have generalized free senior high school. The word is generalized. For the first time in the history of the country, we have active drone delivery systems. For the first time in the history of the party and of the country, yetimi enya active and well facilitated health facilities across the length and breadth of the country. Agenda 111. We may say impoyen because the agenda na the person here number of hospitals and the is yen because of time. But those ones it go and see how they have been operationalized. And then me look say we have some of the hospitals in fact, yeah, equipping hospitals not all right too. But because of political tantrums and political gains, many can say, "Hey, hospital and a go sana no me say." It is a Kenyan who saying a no man in Abaya. This is a scan of the was I would to me was oh, I mean, say almost same people for comfort. Name my comfort my sacrifice discard to what the eye hospitals, most of my comfort. I comfort my facilitator is on funded free seniors, most of my comfort. You see, I ain't gonna for debut. I find a tables net and after the Mokika. Why are they shouting? Obian can't to me and call I saw from among common into with the greatest of respect among common into them queen in a home. Chief imam for them common to them queen in a home. Politicians need common to them queen in a home. Market women among common to them queen in a home. Obian can't to them queen in a home. 2020 Jua, then you know the way forward. Yet you come over so no bow, no the credit scoring system, but I must open content and get it. Nancy Bibi Nina said, ye be getting invest we want everything in pieces. We don't want everything in bulk. And yeah, same cranny. Obi my credit scoring system also open getting. Obi introduce electric or electronic bus systems, most open getting. Is any one day? You people chose policy, you people chose music over policy. Na ne yete ne nyine ho papa na fe na mbusu wache dem me na wo ne wo sia che me sabi me na me ko ka che Ibrahim Dramani ma so o mema was come to butu wa ye wa ha digitalization ye start say ye mo se da bi digitalization en to kinki nti mo pe kinki sika nti amamu papa na ba o mo ma mo kinki amamu ade na mo kam ye wo ko mo ya e de Ibrahim Dramani ma ko gina fese and can form Gafon catch up say, oh, Gafon, oh, na mo de onye kinki na muhia utilization bia. And I Gafon so okay, you better abana ma boom 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 boom. Mo to abama kinki government it me.
Say dey ko ye kra de menu now to me who letter be a yoko for tro ye about council of state member voter region. Na me say fiam hey Ramona Chapa ya hype say where can say Israel train Israel train.
But the issue is true.
Okay, the letter now was say Council of State member no were former staff Emanam 1, which is never true.
Onya Juma order.
Onya Juma or da. And Onya Juma or da. Amanam 1 for the first time. Nam 1 I post. Oh yes, Nam 1 I post.
Yeah, no catch you. We say, oh, the panel boy.